real sucky part about it is the dude's right there. I was almost back. I could have left without a ticket, but no.
We are very excited about this. This is raw milk. And we just got 2 offers.
This is actually really good.
We wanted to depart by 12 o'clock today. No big deal, it's just 4 o'clock now, but this is our MO. The good news is we did get something recorded for our next video, so that's great. Unfortunately, we didn't get what we hoped for with Crater Lake, so we will have to be back. We will definitely be back. Maybe when we head to Bend next time, we'll be able to hit up Wizard Island and take the ferry. We're definitely going to do the Watchman's Tower next time, and hopefully maybe even swim in the lake. We're not sure, but we will be back.
I, for one, am going to swim in that thing because it was just too amazingly blue and clear not to.
Now we are headed to Ashland. It's about a 2.5-hour, 3-hour drive. And on our way, we're actually going to be stopping at a farm because we found a farm that has raw milk. And we just ran out this morning. So we're very happy to be able to replenish our raw milk supply. So we need to hit the road because it's late.
Let's go.
We are very excited about this. This is raw milk from Blue Swiss cows, which is actually a cow that carries the A2 protein. And that is special because it's easier for your body to digest. And even though it's raw milk, and some people get a little weirded out by that because it's not unpasteurized, it's actually easier for your body to digest, and it gives you more of all of the nutrients and protein that is found in typical milk. So it's way better for you, and it's easier for your body. That makes us happy, and it's really tough to find, especially in Oregon. So Oregon has a herd share program, meaning if you have more than 3 cows, you actually have to participate in a group share of the cow in order to get milk, which means for us passing through, they can't sell to us legally. And if you have 3 cows or less, you can sell pretty much to anyone, and you don't have to be part of the herd share program. So we found a farm that has 3 cows or less, and we're so excited to have more raw milk. This is the second place we were able to find in the whole state of Oregon that could sell to us, so this is like really special for us. Don't be scared of raw milk. It's delicious. It's better for your body than the milk you get in the store, especially when it comes from A2 Blue Swiss cows.
All right, good morning. We are in Ashland, Oregon, and this is kind of a stop, like a reset stop for us in the RV because we're actually in a campground that has full hookups. We're gonna find a recycle place today because we've been lugging all of this stuff around with us for at least, like a month?
So
because
much recycling.
It's insane. Like, we can't find anywhere that does mixed paper or glass is actually the biggest hurdle. So we've had to dump a few, and we use a lot of glass. We drink a lot of wine.
We do drink a lot of wine.
We drink a lot of wine and a lot of kombuchas, which all come in glass. So
yeah.
we feel bad about dumping it.
In Ashland.
We found a place in Ashland.
So we're going to dump that, and then we're going to go to the farmer's market and pick up some fresh vegetables for our groceries for the week. And then whatever we can't find from the farmer's market, there's a food co-op here, which often has like really local food. We like going to food co-ops more than like a health food store, like a Whole Foods or something, just because oftentimes it's more local and you can get really specialized stuff there. So we're excited. And then what else is on our agenda?
They're a little more connected to the farm, right?
Yes, that's
what
true.
I was trying to say. Yeah, they're a little more connected to the farm at the co-ops. Anyway.
What else is on our agenda?
Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not wearing a hat today as Liz strokes my straight, soft hair.
So long. It needs to be cut so bad.
I don't know if any of y'all noticed from the previous week's videos that it was getting pretty epic. Yeah, the sideburns are getting pretty epic. So something has to happen today. I found a cool spot in Medford, which is about 20 minutes north of Ashland, which is where we're going to be at the farmers market. Anyway, we'll see how this goes.
Haircut.
I'm a little I don't want to say vain, but I'm a little scared of shops that I'm not used to because I actually do
It is
care
tough
about
getting
my hair.
hair cuts on the road.
So yeah, we'll see how this goes. But yeah, should be a fun day. Let's go.
I almost forgot to tell you too. We got great news this morning. We have a property listed in Florida. And if you're new to our channel, we actually sustain this lifestyle by investing in real estate. And we just got 2 offers on a property we have listed with a realtor down there, which is like awesome because that means we can potentially get a bidding war or at least get closer to the price that we really, really want, which means profit for us and more travels and adventures to come. Sweet. Very excited.
Black truffle sesame salt.
Black truffle sesame sauce.
Has 3 different varieties of salt. It has a truffle infused salt, a pink Himalayan, and a white Mediterranean salt. And then the rest of the recipe is called gomashio, which is ground up organic black and white sesame seed.
Wow.
So you get the oil from the sesame seed in the background. The truffle dominates the flavor profile. It's only 10% salt by volume.
This is actually really good.
You have to try these organic peaches. They are so good. Where can we put this on the RV? Please? We just got kombucha from Infinity Kombucha, which is actually in Mount Shasta, which is our next destination. So hopefully we'll be able to enjoy more of this kombucha when we get down there. Oh my god. This is an Indian spiced.
Yeah, I'm working.
Indian spice, but I feed the cameraman.
What's always Indian?
Oh.
Right at a pound. This one here is almost 3/4 of a pound. This
Let's
one's
do
a
the
little over a pound.
Let's do the 3/4. 55. Right.
Golden tokens.
You gotta get tokens for what?
Because we didn't have enough cash, you can use tokens. You give them your card and you get tokens in exchange. It's like money.
So we're a small micro creamery in the Little Applegate Valley. We milk a small herd of 20 Jersey cows. They're all grass-fed. When we milk the cows, we make the cheese on farm. So, that's what we do.
This was a great market. It was a perfect blend of actual food and goods that you would want to purchase to have at your house, and also like items to buy or bags and clothes. It's a great market. Good music. Good music.
Where do you want to go?
Small town parking lot tip when you got a huge truck.
Fun fact about Ashland, Oregon is that they actually have the largest Shakespeare Festival, I believe, in the world. So currently they're doing several Shakespeare shows and the people will be in full Shakespeare garments just out and about throughout the town, just doing their thing at the coffee shop, grocery shopping, and full Shakespearean gowns. So if you like Shakespeare, this is definitely a place for you to come, but it's also just fun to see. what I want. It's overwhelming. If you ever see this stuff, any of the Honey Mama's chocolate, buy it all. It's expensive, but it's the best chocolate we've ever had. And it's sweetened with honey instead of cane sugar. It doesn't have any of the other stuff like soy lecithin in it. It's amazing. So we're gonna get all of them. Shopping trip. They had everything we normally buy, which is awesome. Like really hard stuff to find. So we're very excited. We're gonna have amazing meals for the next week and a half.
Yeah, but it was an exciting shopping thing, but what do I gotta go do right now?
Oh yeah, and then we bought all this stuff and we forgot that we didn't have the truck that we walked here. So now Dennis has to go get the truck, and I'm waiting here with our bag of groceries.
Yeah, I actually think that a little tidbit was a really great idea for a little DIY RV awning cleaning. What do you think? I just made it back to the truck from the co-op, and looky what we got. The real sucky part about it is the dude's right there. I was almost back. I could have left without a ticket, but no. Pro tip, if you're gonna go to the farmers market in the city of Ashland, and you park directly across the street from the farmers market in the 4-hour parking, make sure you do not back in. Yes, there are signs. No, we did not see them, but it cost us 22 bucks. So I talked to the parking attendant who told me that the reason they don't want you backing in is because they have planted exotic vegetation that is supposed to be cleaning the soil. So, yep, you're welcome. Yeah, we made it. So hey, what don't they take?
Well,
Pretty much,
no.
not everything, but
I mean, yeah, there's definitely some stuff they don't take, but that's pretty common. I mean, it's still better to recycle some than recycle nothing and it all go to a landfill.
yeah.
So we're happy to do even what little part we can.
At least they take glass. That's like the biggest win, I think, of this recycle spot today. So we're all done for the day in Ashland and Medford. The farmers market was awesome.
Yes.
Didn't get my hair cut, but I did get some rad kicks from Fred Meyer.
He did.
Went in there for brews and ended up with sneakers. Why not?
Because that's what you do.
But the sun is setting literally and figuratively on our Oregon trip. We hit some speed bumps on the way in. We didn't make it to the coast, but the Willamette Valley turned it around for us, and this trip has been absolutely amazing.
Yes, we've loved Oregon, and we really do look forward to coming back.
But now it's time to head on down into Northern California and visit some family in the Mount Shasta area, right? Castella, is that the town that she's actually in?
Yes, my aunt has some property up on the mountain, and we're going to be able to spend about 2 weeks there. It's absolutely beautiful at our property, and we'll be doing lots of exploring and hiking and relaxing and enjoying with family. So we can't wait to not only be there, but to share that with you. So make sure to stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and then click that bell, because it'll actually tell you when videos like Northern California one comes out.
Heck yeah. And also, if you haven't done it already, check out our Instagram feed, because you know, I take all the pictures for the feed.
It's pretty epic.
It's all right. But Liz actually does live, or as live as it gets, updates on the stories in Instagram. So if you want to see what we're up to literally on a daily basis, you can see that there. Because the blog actually does run a few weeks behind, but we try to keep up with it as much as we can.
So we will see you in Northern California.
Peace.